You know those times that you just need a place to sit over by the fire, and you don't necessarily want to buy chairs that break apart, like those camping chairs and stuff. Well, you're going to find a lot of videos on what I'm going to do, but basically it's just taking some, extra scrap wood or something sitting around, and you can make some really simple chairs that just kind of sit out there for relaxing on the porch or whatever. So this will be a quick video, but I just wanted to at least show this is a really good idea. So with my chairs, I'm gonna have to get a little creative because I don't have a lot of this 2x10 stuff. I think that's 2x10. At least 2x8 or something. Nine. So I guess it's considered a 2x10. All the measurements. So this is the rough version of it, but it's so simple. It took me, I don't know, 20 minutes. And the hardest part is just cutting this hole just so that fits in, slides in and out easily. And I'm just gonna glue in some sides there for some extra surface area for the seat. And so I'll reinforce that, that's so simple. I love that. I love stuff like that. And I'm gonna probably waterproof it and stuff, but this is really hard wood to cut through, but it's good. And you could just, whatever preference you have, you can make the wood longer or shorter, however much you want the thing to recline, and however long the back you want, if you want a headrest or whatever. It's just so simple, quick and easy. I'm gonna make like 4 of these.